In this video, I'll teach you how to fix the issue where OBS hotkeys don't work on Mac. The first step is to go to System Settings down here at the bottom. If you can't locate it, just go up here in the top right corner and click on the search bar and search for System Settings. From there, go ahead and click there. And now simply scroll down until you see Privacy and Security right here. Go ahead and click there and now scroll down a little bit again. Now there's two different things that we need to do. The first step is to go to Accessibility up here. Click there and now locate OBS. On the right hand side, go ahead and toggle it on so it's blue like you're seeing on my screen. And then go back. And then just a little bit further down we have Input Monitoring. Go ahead and click there. Locate OBS again and make sure it's toggled on. Once you follow these steps, go ahead and click Away. And from there go down on OBS and click on Settings. Go to Hotkeys on the left hand side. And now you can go ahead and enter the hotkeys that you wish. I just want to point out that not all keys on a MacBook keyboard works for this. So if you can enter certain keys in here, it might just be because those specific keys don't work. So just go ahead and try with any other key and then you might find that this works now. From there, go ahead and click OK. And now you can go ahead and minimize OBS and you should be able to use your hotkeys in the background. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.